Hello YouTube, I am back again. This time I am answering a request. My Hoover bagless twin chamber versus I think it was my Sanitaire sc887. I will do a different test if this was not the request. I mean, I don't remember that well, but I'll just use this as a regular YouTube video and move on to the other request. The request if this isn't it. But anyway, I have my purple Hoover bagless twin chamber in my Sanitaire sc887 already. I'll go get paper and we'll see the comparison. I'm not going to put a whole bunch down because the Hoover bagless twin chamber, I don't want to strain it that much, and neither of them have that great of airflow, because when do bagless vacuums have good airflow? Alright, we're going to start with the Hoover bagless twin chamber, and then we'll do the Sanitaire. Start on 3. If that ain't the one, I'll do the other. That did pretty decent. Now time for the Sanitaire. Alright, well, the Sanitaire kind of struggled, but it's the dark cut model, so I didn't really expect much out of it, but it did pretty good. So, tell me how you liked it, tell me what you want to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Also, I want to say a couple things about my channel. I'm probably going to end up making another one for just regular spoken words, and keep this one for vacuum videos. Don't ask me why. It's just something I was thinking of doing. So, now I'm not going to move away from vacuums and all that. Vacuums are getting boring, time to start quitting and selling them. Nope, that's not going to happen. It's been my passion for years, so I'm going to keep it that way. Well, that's about it. Any more requests? I will look at the request again to make sure this is it, but I'm still gonna have this uploaded as an attraction. Don't ask me why I say that. It's just what I say. So, once again, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what you want to see, and I'll see what I can do. Until next time.